Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can fix Bloxstrap Multi Roblox not working. So first, you can go to this link that I will show you before we proceed. Just like mine on the screen, this version should be Bloxstrap version 2.54. Click on Assets to show the drop-down list. Click on Bloxstrap v2.5.4.exe. After you download it, click the downloaded Bloxstrap and click Run. Make sure that your Roblox is closed, then open the Bloxstrap app. After you open the app, go to Integrations and enable multi-instance launching. After that, click Fast Logs, change the frame rate limit to 240, and enable the use of the alternate graphics quality selector. Click Behavior and turn off Automatically Update Bloxstrap. Mine was installed, but if you already have Bloxstrap and you just need to update, the button you'll see is Save instead of Install. And that's how to fix Bloxstrap Multi Roblox not working. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!